Hey YouTube, I shot and edited a whole section on measurements and different bits and pieces, and at the end of the day what it boiled down to was that I'll probably do more damage trying to fix the problem than the little bit that is there. So I'm just going to leave it for now, and if I need to address it at a later date I'll come back and fix it then. But for now I'm going to move on. But before I do that, ever so seamlessly slip in a sponsor ad. Are you looking for hard wearing, long lasting quality thongs? Me too. That's why I wear exclusively dodgy thongs. These are just brilliant. They're available from anywhere where expensive, overpriced crap is sold. Get yours now. Only $29.95 plus postage and handling. You won't be disappointed. Be seen in dodgy thongs, like anybody who is nobody.
Disclaimer, talk real fast and real low so no one can understand what you're saying.
So you didn't even spot it, did you? Well, let's get into it. So about now you're probably wondering, what the hell is he doing now? You guessed it, I've changed my mind again. Remember at the beginning of the video I said, so I'm just going to leave it for now, and if I need to address it at a later date I'll come back and fix it then. This section here forms basically a C, and with all the welding that's taken place, that C is basically closed in. Even though it's attached to these long bars that go this direction, because they're long, there's a lot more length to basically allow it to move. And what I've had to do is put this temporary bar in place to spread those back out apart to the right width, so that I can weld in place this lower bar at the right length, and that should keep to a large degree those bars apart. And once I get into mounting the mower bars, which will be coming up here and then across, that will also help it stop pulling in. So we've reached the end of the video, and what have we achieved? Well, thanks to some well placed OCD, the answer is very little, but at least I'm happy with it now. So in the next video we'll finally mount those motors, and I just can't wait. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.